Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Welcome to Night Moves, Restorative Movement Techniques. In tonight's episode, we're going to talk about the importance of maintenance and what to do in order to maintain our body's function. Most of us as children have created a solid foundation for movement, but as we grow older, we tend to lose the abilities we accrued in our younger years. From being a performer from a young age, I quickly realized that in order to move the way that I need to for the rest of my life and to make my body last, maintainability was a must. In the most basic form, in order to maintain the body's function, we need to perform actions that will strengthen and stretch the body. This yoga flow is an example of combining strength and flexibility. So this isn't an official yoga sequence, this is just something that I do whenever I want to warm my body up for general day-to-day movement, or if I'm preparing for a show, I'll make sure that I go through a sequence like this to make sure my body is limber and ready to move. So when I do this sequence, I start and end in the standing position, like you're seeing here. From the standing position, I go into my deep squat, leaning forward, placing my hands on the ground, walking my feet back to go into our downward dog position. I want to open up my shoulders and keep a rocking feeling just to keep it dynamic. From here, I go to my upward dog, still swaying left to right. It feels oh so good. To end out the sequence, I lift the hips and take a nice lunge forward back into that deep squat, completing it by standing up. Lots of times when our bodies send pain signals to the brain, it's usually due to an imbalance. For example, if someone spends most of the day in a seated position, the muscles in the front of the body will adapt to that position. Muscles that are not used will not get stronger. In fact, they will shorten and become stiff. When you go to perform simple actions such as moving a chair or picking something up, you're at much greater risk of getting injured. Just remember, we can do something about this. It is possible to move without feeling pain. It's never too late. It's just a matter of taking the time to perform simple movements every day, such as these simple stretches. Once again, if you want to help support my channel, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much for checking out my video, guys. I'll see you with my next upload next week. This is Mini Movement Man saying, peace.